Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about first order and higher degree ordinary differential equation, but particularly we will talk about the Clairaut's equation. So first, what is the Clairaut's equation? An equation is of the form, whatever it is mentioned over here, that form will be what exactly Clairaut's forms. Y is equal P of x, y is equal p into x plus f of p, where p is nothing but that is the dy by dx. So in that case, what we have to do? So what we can say that y is nothing but function of what x and p. That means I have to first differentiating with respect to x. So we will have that the dy by dx plus p plus x is there and dp by dx plus f dash p into dp by dx. Now dy by dx is nothing but that is the p, so I have written over here, and this is this, I have taken that the dp by dx is common, so we will have x plus f dash p. So this is going to be cancelled out and we will have this one. But this is the two factors, so dp by dx and second x plus f dash p is equal 0. So we are going to neglecting because no, it doesn't contains dp by dx. It doesn't contains the terms dp by dx, and therefore we are going to neglect these terms, and we will have, in that case we will get the singular solution. So we have that the dp by dx is equal 0, and from this dp is equal 0, and after integrating, so what we will get the arbitrary constant c, so p is equal, that is the same. Now we have that equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. What we have to do, I have to remove that p variable in the equation number 1. So how we can remove? Because we have obtained the equation number 2, so we can write the p is equal c, and whatever we get, and that will be what exactly general solution. So in this particular form, we can see that whenever we have that the function y is equal f of xp, and if it is of the particular form y is equal px into function of p, so in that case definitely just p is replaced by c, and that will give the general solution. So let us see that another question, solve y minus px into p minus 1 is equal p. So from this question, what you can write? So y minus px, I am just taking this one on the right hand side. So p divided by p minus 1 is there. Now I'm just taking px on the right hand side. So y is equal px plus p divided by p minus x. And this is what exactly of the form y is equal p into x plus f of p, function of p. This is the function of p, and px is there. That means we can say that is the Clairaut's form, and therefore general solution is p is replaced by only that is the c, and what we can write, y is equal cx plus c divided by c minus 1, and this is what exactly required solution. This is another question. Solve e raised to 3x into p minus 1 plus p cube e raised to 2y is equal 0. And in that case, how to solve? First, we should understand this is a non-linear. It is clear. But what we have to convert this equation in the simplest form. But how we can? So let us start with e raised to x is equal u and e raised to y is equal, that is v. So whenever I take the power 3 on the both the sides, so what I will get, that is the u cube. Whenever it is required, we will use it. But right now it is not needed. Now let us look at e raised to x into dx is equal du, and e raised to y dy is equal, that is the dv. But for our simplicity, just I am taking the division of these two equation. So what I will get, so that you can see that the dx by dy is equal, I have just assumed that this is on the right hand side, so this is the e raised to y divided by e raised to x du by dv. But I am interested for p, that already it is used, so I can replace dy by dx. So I have to take the reciprocal. So what I am just taking that e raised to x divided by e raised to y and dv by du, and this is what exactly p, and this is the u and this is the v, that also you can write. I'm just taking that this is a capital P. So what I have obtained that small p is equal u divided by v into capital P. Now I'm going to substitute all these value here. So what I will get? So look at here. P u raised to power 3, p is nothing but u divided by v into capital P minus 1 plus p raised to cube, but p is replaced by these quantities, so u by v into p raised to power 3 into v square by v square, because this can be written as e raised to y raised to power 2 and e raised to y is nothing but v, so we get the v square equal to 0. Now I'm just taking that u raised to cube divided by v common. And what I will get? V I have just taken common, so that means you have taken that the V LCM for these terms. So UP minus V plus, again you have taken that the U raised to power 3 divided by V common. So what we are left with? V raised to cube, that is going to be what? V square will be eliminated. One with that we have taken common. So only we are left with p raised to cube equals 0. So this term we are going to neglect because this terms does not involve d capital P. It does not involve like these terms. And therefore what we are going to consider neglecting this one, and we will have this one. So I can write V as a subject, so we can have UP minus plus P raised to cube, and which is of the form Clairaut's forms, and therefore general solution is given by V is equal to UC plus E raised to cube, and now just V is replaced by E raised to Y and U is replaced by E raised to X, and substituting all these value we will have this one equation, and this is required solution. I hope that it is clear to all of you. So in this particular video, we have discussed about that the Clairaut's form and how to get its general solution. Thank you.